What's up everyone? I hope you're doing well. In this video, I wanted to walk you through how I did the refinish on this 1969 Gibson 335. I started off by removing the old finish completely from the entire guitar. It looked pretty cool and vintage, but it just was in very poor condition, so I had to get rid of it. It had a real strong smell of mold as well, so that was not good. But got rid of it, and here I am dyeing the entire guitar with red trans tint mixed with plain water, and I did that twice across the entire guitar. This way it really absorbed into the grain. And then I sand that back with 320 grit to really get the grain to pop and have more contrast. Onto the first coats of color. This is Mohawk stringed instrument lacquer mixed with red trans tint. And I did probably 5 coats to achieve the color I was looking for. And I decided to do the neck separately than the body. This way I could get them to match nicely. Here I'm removing the old finish from the headstock, and again spraying the neck separately to get the colors to match nicely. Then I moved on to scraping the binding, and I did this prior to any clear coat. This way I could fill in any voids or ridges from that. And as you can see, I'm making a giant mess on my couch, which my lovely girlfriend did clean up. She did want me to point that out to you. Here I'm getting the decals lined up. This way when I spray the color, it'll act sort of as a stencil. And here is the headstock after spraying the black lacquer. And then on to clear coat, which is always fun. You get to see everything locked in and finally become like truly glossy. I probably did about 9 coats of clear across the entire guitar, and then we're finally wet sanding. I probably started with 1000 grit, moved up to 1500, and then ended with 2000. I typically end with 2000. I don't go any more than that because I do always buff out the finish and polish it up. Here are the final results of how this guitar turned out. I've got to say I couldn't be more proud of it. Just to see even the headstock finally completed with a logo and everything, it was truly an honor to work on something so iconic and classic as this 1969 335. Such a pleasure. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you like it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.